Now we can access the main control panel and put the ignition switch on. We wait for the display to boot up and system check the engine and the IC system. Now the engine is ready to start. To move the machine with the cable track drive box, we need to make sure the radio control is switched off first. We plug the track drive box in under here. I can track the machine, and now the track drive is activated, the alarm has gone off. Now the machine will move. Okay, to move the machine, there are two alternative places for the track drive box. This is the second position. We plug the track drive box in. We ensure the plug is locked in position. We operate the track drive levers. Now the track drive alarm is activated. Now the machine is available to move.